All right, we are starting where we left off in the other video. I'm sorry we got cut off there. It only gives me 15 minutes and I was going through it quickly. So, anyways, our question was how many fourths are in 3/4? We did a model of that. We counted 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 1/4 in 3/4. So it says, how are example 2 and exercise 1 similar? All right, well, example 2 was 9/12 divided by 3/12. Okay, and the exercise 1 was 3/4 divided by 1/4. Okay, let's look at the dividend of both of these. So we have 9/12 and 3/4. Okay, so 9/12 and 3/4. What can you, pause the video, think about how these are related? Okay, what can we do to 9 to get to 3? We divide by 3, right? What did we do to 12 to get to 4? We divided by 3 also. Okay, so these are equivalent, not ratios, but fractions. These are equivalent fractions, and both of them are divided by 3. When both the numerator and the denominator are divided by the same number, that makes them equivalent. If you need to back that up and listen to that again, you can. I said it fast. All right, so these are equivalent. Let's check to see if our divisors are equivalent. Our divisors say 3/12 and 1/4. Okay, so let's see if we do the same thing. 3 to what gives me 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. Awesome. 12 divided by what gives me 4? 3 again. Okay, so we see a pattern here. All right, both of the answers to these questions were 3. So, if we have problems that are equivalent, then they must have the same answer. All right, so let's look down here where it says, how are the divisors and dividends related? You need to fill in the blanks like I did. They are equal because they are just reduced. That's not how you spell reduced. Reduced. Oh dear. Okay. They are equal because they are reduced. They are reduced by the same number. That means they're equivalent ratios. They're equal. All right? Do we see this? If you have any questions, raise your hand and let me re-explain this in a different way. What conclusions can you draw from these observations? So you ready? When the dividend, that's the first number right here in our division sentence, and divisor are equivalent, fractions, the quotient, answer to the division problem, stays the same. All right, so when they are equivalent, when both of these problems are equivalent to each other, the dividend and the divisor, then the quotient will stay the same. That's how we got 3 for both of these. If you need help with this question, you need it set in a different way, then please let me know and I will try my best. Okay? So after you have done this, then you are done with lesson 3 and hopefully you can be a rock star at it